Thank you for your interest in the Facilities DIY Estimating Calculator. This calculator can be used to obtain estimated costs for your upcoming construction project quickly and at your convenience. On the left-hand side of the screen, you can see 10 of the most commonly requested types of construction. The next column explains the estimated price for each of those 10 categories. As you can see, some are by square foot and some are per unit. Pricing here includes both materials and labor. The third column allows you to enter the appropriate quantity for your project. For example, paint is quantified by square feet. If you're painting 200 square feet, you would just enter in 200 into the quantity column. However, electrical outlets are quantified by unit. So if you needed 3 new outlets, you would enter 3 into the quantity column. This process can be repeated for all 10 categories of construction, but can be used for as few as 1. Once you've input data for all applicable categories, scroll down to the bottom of the page and click the Calculate Total button. Pricing is regularly updated to show up-to-date average prices for materials and labor. All pricing is based on industry standards and averages and does not represent a specific product, material, or installer. It is our hope that you can use this tool to get a quick, rough estimate for simple projects instead of having to go through the whole estimating process. Thank you for your interest in Facilities Project Estimating Calculator.